Hi, I'm Dara, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add a second axis on a graph in FlexLogger. So right now we have two different graphs on the screen tab for both temperature data and light sensor data. But what if I wanted the light sensor data and the temperature data on the same graph? So what I can do is click the y-axis on the temperature graph, right click, and then click Add Axis Y. In this way, it adds another axis, but I'm going to move that to the right, and then also add another channel. I don't know why that moved to the left, but I'll just move that to the right again. And now we have both graphs onto our temperature graph, original temperature graph. One thing that's helpful to me is scaling to visible data. I can just cover this, and now we can see our lumens went down, and then it will go back up when I uncover the light sensor. I can make sure this is also scaled to visible data as well. And then I don't really like how that yellow looks because it's not really visible as well. So I can click light sensor in the legend right here and then change that to blue like we have on the right. So yeah, in this video, we learned how to add a second axis onto a graph and show multiple different sensors on the same graph in FlexLogger. Thanks for watching.